Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine and you're welcome to my little corner of YouTube. So today's video is like a continuation of the last one, because if you don't know, I started like a natural hair starter kit for beginners on my channel. I've been doing this series since I started the channel basically. So today's video will be about hair care tools that you would need on your journey. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that I would recommend if you're just starting out and you don't know what to get, you need this. You need a spray bottle. Now you need this to put water, aloe vera juice, conditioner, whatever you need to moisturize your hair with, so you can you get the point, you can spray it onto your hair and do what you need to do. So very essential for every natural. The next thing I believe you would need is an oil applicator bottle. Okay, this you need because you can put your oils or your mixture of oils in here and you can apply it directly to your scalp to seal in the moisture. Okay, the next thing I believe you would need is a silk or satin scarf, bonnet or pillowcase. Okay, this is my silk scarf. I basically use it to lay my edges these days because I am constantly wearing this. This is my satin bonnet. Okay, if you don't want to look like a grandma when you're sleeping, just buy a satin pillowcase and sleep on it. It's very helpful because cotton will dry out your hair. Okay, after spending all that time moisturizing, don't go and sleep on a cotton pillowcase or without a satin or silk scarf. Okay, it's very essential. The next thing I believe you need is a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. Now this is my microfiber towel, like a turban type thing that you just put on your hair after you come out of the shower, or a regular t-shirt. Okay, don't use your normal towel that you used to have your bath to clean your hair or to rub against your hair. It's very rough and it can pull out your hair, so you want to use something like a t-shirt or a microfiber towel. Okay, the next thing I believe you need are combs. Now I believe like so many people, when they go natural, they're like, oh, don't use combs at all, use your fingers to detangle your hair. God bless you. I don't have such patience to sit down and detangle my hair with my fingers. Now I do lightly finger detangle, especially if I take down a protective style like this. I don't just go with a comb. Obviously I go with some conditioner and lightly finger detangle with my hand. And once I feel like my hand can go through, I'm going with a wide tooth comb because I cannot comb and kill myself and die. Okay, a wide tooth comb for me is very essential. By all means, if you can finger detangle, please do it. But if you're like me and you're trying to save time and use this, you just need to be gentle. It's not a bad thing. A wide tooth comb for me is a necessity. Okay, and you kind of need one of these. I don't know why I have two, but you need this Afro picks. For example, if you did like a twist out or a braid out and you want to make it fuller, you will use this to pick out. I think it's called an Afro pick. Use it to pick out the roots so that you get more volume with your hair. So you need this. You might need these if you're doing more sleek hairstyles, okay, to sleek down your hair. So this is a stronger side and this is a softer side. Okay, and this is like a baby one. This hair is flying over, Jesus. This is like a baby one for your edges, or you can just use toothbrush. I've not used this in a long time. I use regular toothbrush, not the one for my teeth, but you get what I mean. Okay, that's about it for the combs. Next thing that I believe you would need are good old hair clips. Okay, you need to be working with your hair in sections. It makes life easiest for you. Okay, don't just go in one time with your shampoo or your conditioner. Work in sections, and these will help you to put your hair in sections. If you don't have this, just get regular hair ties, the ones without the iron thing, and just put your hair in sections. But I find that these are very helpful, so you need hair clips. Okay, do not use this. Okay, please get proper hair shears or scissors, okay, to trim your hair, because you need to be trimming your hair to avoid you splitting further. This is what I use because I swear I'm the last person anybody should be getting advice from. But this is what I use. Please, if you have money, go and buy professional scissors and cut your hair. But this works for me, so this is, I got this from the £1 show. Chimo, my hairstyle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I didn't tie it down because I didn't think this will happen. I just literally put my hair up, turned the camera and started filming. If you're doing this style, please secure your hair to avoid embarrassments in the public place. My god, I am back. Hi guys, so I put my hair in a bun and this time I secured it very well, so we're good. that was just very funny. Now I don't even know what I was talking about. I think I was talking about scissors. Okay, please get proper hair shears for your hair so you can trim your hair whenever you feel there is a need to trim your hair. So these are essential in every natural's hair kit. Okay, the next thing that I feel is very, very essential, which I should have even started with this, is a deep conditioning hood. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It has this place you put your blow dryer inside and a hood. So this is very important if you don't have a hooded dryer, that is. If you have a hooded dryer, you don't need this. But this is very, very cheap and very, very affordable. I think I got it for like £2 or something. They sell it everywhere for like not more than 2,000 naira. Okay, this is very, very cheap and you need it if you want to deep condition your hair with heat, and that is very essential to get the moisture into your hair. The penetration is better with heat, so you want something that will go over your hair, then you apply your blow dryer at the end to deep condition, or your hot oil treatment. Okay, that's it. Deep conditioning hood for me is a necessity. Next thing for me would be the blow dryer itself. I'm not saying this is absolutely necessary, but because of my deep conditioning hood, I kind of need this. So this is the part that I will put into, let me show you. This is the part that goes in here to supply the heat that will deep condition my hair. Okay, so I really like this one. This one is very cheap. I don't have any special, ew, it's gonna spoil. I don't have any special one. I don't even know. I think this one is from Superdrug or something like that if you're in the abroad, but there's blow dryer everywhere. But one thing I would like to highlight is this bad boy here. These what do you call it? A diffuser attachment. So sometimes you do like a twist out or a wash and go, and you know our hair, especially if you have thick hair, it takes time to dry. Okay, this you attach here and then you put it directly to your scalp to kind of help you dry your hair. If you have a hooded dryer, once again, that's your problem solved. But for us that don't, this is our saving grace. Okay, another thing I would like to quickly mention is a steamer. Obviously I don't have money, I'm looking for money to buy it, but if you can get your hands on a steamer, it's very good for your hair. The moisture level is just insane with a steamer. From all that I've read and from all the videos that I've watched, I think if you have the money and you can afford it, it's a good thing to have in your natural hair kit. But I haven't got it yet. When I get it, I will show you guys, but I don't have it. But if you can, please get it. Okay, next thing, which I believe is also very, 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 very important. I don't know why I'm mentioning the important things last. I don't even understand myself. But it's a scalp massaging brush. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that. It vibrates. This one is not the gang ones that every YouTuber talks about, you know, the one from Vanity Planet. I don't have money for it. I believe I got this for really cheap. I can't remember where, but a few years ago I got this. So if you look online, there are obviously cheaper options. I mean, if you can afford the Vanity Planet one, everyone and their grandmother swears by it. So by all means get it, but this is the one I have. They don't even have name on it. But the important thing with a scalp massaging brush is it stimulates your scalp. So you put it on your scalp and you even if you don't have it, it's fine. You have your fingers, just massage your scalp very regularly. It helps blood to flow better to your scalp and provide nutrients and nourishment for hair growth. Okay, that's the point I've been trying to make sense. The last thing, which I believe is not very important, but if you can have it, why not, are perm rods for styling your hair. Okay, these little bendy things for curling your hair, if you want to have that kind of hairstyle. Or you can have perm rods. I think these ones are called flexi rods, yes, and these baby ones are called perm rods. I have them in different sizes, and yeah, sometimes I just, when I want a different look, I'll just go and roll my hair up and you have all your curls popping. Okay, so if you can get this, fine. If you can't, that's okay. We have so many natural hair salons now, you can go there and have it done for you. Okay, let me check my list. Okay, and yes, that's everything that I really wanted to talk about in this video. So if you're starting out, it's absolutely not necessary to get everything on this list, but I'm just showing you what I have and what you can get. So if you can lay your hands on all of them, fine. If you can get some now and get some later, that's absolutely fine. But I just wanted to give you a guideline if you were looking for the tools that you would need on your natural hair journey. So yes, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Okay, what do I want to say? Visit me on, no, visit me, follow me on Instagram. Jesus Christ, follow me on Instagram. I am on Instagram. Okay, I will link my account below. Subscribe to this channel, please help me and subscribe. Okay, God will bless you. It is free of charge and you get to hear all these fantastic tips about hair and beauty and lifestyle. Okay, watch out for all the other videos coming soon. And yes, that's all I have to say really. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.